SwagBucks is a free online rewards program that allows you to earn points, called SBs, for doing things you already do online, such as shopping, watching videos, searching the web, and taking surveys. You can then redeem your SBs for gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and Target, or for cash via PayPal. How does SwagBucks work? When you sign up for SwagBucks, you'll be given a unique referral code. If you refer friends to SwagBucks, you'll earn a bonus of 10% of their SB earnings for the first 60 days. There are a variety of ways to earn SBs on SwagBucks. Here are a few of the most popular. Take surveys. SwagBucks offers a variety of surveys that you can take to earn SBs. The amount of SBs you earn per survey will vary, but you can typically expect to earn between 10 and 100 SBs per survey. Shop online. SwagBucks partners with a variety of retailers to offer cashback rewards. When you make a purchase through SwagBucks, you'll earn a percentage of the purchase price back in SBs. Watch videos. SwagBucks offers a variety of videos that you can watch to earn SBs. The amount of SBs you earn per video will vary, but you can typically expect to earn between 1 and 5 SBs per video. Search the web. SwagBucks offers a search engine that you can use to earn SBs. When you search for something on SwagBucks, you'll earn a small number of SBs for each search. Complete offers. SwagBucks offers a variety of offers that you can complete to earn SBs. These offers can include things like signing up for a free trial, downloading an app, or making a purchase. How much money can you make with SwagBucks? The amount of money you can make with SwagBucks will vary depending on how much time you spend on the site and how many tasks you complete. However, it is possible to earn a significant amount of money with SwagBucks. Some users have reported earning hundreds of dollars per month. Is SwagBucks legit? Yes, SwagBucks is a legitimate website. It has been in business since 2008 and has paid out over $650 million in rewards to its members. SwagBucks is also accredited by the Better Business Bureau with an A+ rating. Here are 5 pros and cons of SwagBucks. Pros: easy-to-use variety of ways to earn SBs, legitimate website, affordably priced gift cards. Refer friends and earn bonus SBs. Cons: some tasks can be repetitive. Earnings can be slow. Not all offers are available in all countries. Minimum redemption thresholds for gift cards. Overall, SwagBucks is a legitimate way to earn some extra money online. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you're willing to put in some time, you can earn a significant amount of rewards. Here are some tips for maximizing your earnings on SwagBucks. Complete surveys. Surveys are one of the most efficient ways to earn SBs. Shop online. Take advantage of the cashback rewards offered by SwagBucks when you shop online. Watch videos. Watching videos is a passive way to earn SBs. Complete offers. Some offers can earn you a lot of SBs in a short amount of time. Refer friends. Refer your friends to SwagBucks and earn a bonus of 10% of their SB earnings for the first 60 days. I hope this article has helped you learn more about SwagBucks. If you're looking for a way to earn some extra money online, I encourage you to check out SwagBucks.